Oh boy, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the new home base of the Send It Steve channel. Now it is a little echoey in here right now as there's nothing in it, but this is it, guys. This is basically, it's listed as a 4-car garage, but you could probably get like one car to here, another one here, and then another on the side. So as you guys do know, I am freaking excited about this. I've wanted my own garage for so long now, and we finally were able to pull it off. And we have a place to get the stuff from my actual house and kind of have a storage facility. So I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are excited. Let's head home and start bringing in our vehicles. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna have to do a merch plug for myself because as you guys do know, we did fire up the website. We have knives on there now. We have freaking like wall art, we have shirts, we have hoodies. It's gonna get cold, guys. Go get your merch right now. It's senditstevemerch.com. That's right, senditstevemerch.com, as showed on the screen up here, down there. I don't know where it's gonna be, but head on over, show your support for the channel, and I'm gonna roll the foot. Goodness, so Bruce is home. That is freaking awesome. We finally have our own place, guys. Oh, just barely makes it too. Look at just how tight that really is. He definitely could not come in and out of this door at all. Definitely can only come in and out of the front, but holy smokes. Oh, I'm loving it. All right, let's go get one more vehicle and get here today. And then I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. It's getting pretty late. We gotta get the kids and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. We are moving into our own garage, and I couldn't be any more excited. And I owe it all to you guys. So thank you very much. This is just sort of gonna be the first place that we get. It's sort of a place that, you know, I can call ours for right now. Not big, not crazy, but it's something. It's a lot better than what we have. With winter coming up, we'll have a place to do some kind of activities. Not sure if you guys can see, we got people taking pictures of the Corvette as we are off to the new garage. So far, I'm about half a mile from my house and 5 people have stopped to talk about it, so that's pretty cool. But we're off to put the Vette into the new garage, and we got some talking to do about that thing. But that's gonna be for another video. Alrighty guys, we got the second vehicle here, and it is obviously the Corvette. And I know a bunch of you guys are going to want to have like a rundown of what this thing actually is and everything like that, but we'll do that, guys. Give it time. I do think if these vehicles weren't so massive, you could get 3 next to each other, but these things are just absolutely insanely big, as you can tell, and they just fill up a lot of space. So I think up here where I'd want to be able to work, you could probably get 3 cars side by side, but we're not here to do that. We'll probably put the Trans Am in here, like I said earlier, and kind of just be done with it. This will end up coming forward. Trans Am will go back here. I'll probably put like the engines and transmissions I have right here in the center, and then we'll be able to do whatever little repairs and things that we need to do or want to do right up here in this area. So let's get back to the house. Oh man, you guys are right. I am gonna have to get this thing started and get this thing going. So basically, long story short, is I pulled it out, I pressure washed it all off. I went ahead and went under the engine bay, and I mean, this should just be able to show you guys just how clean this car really is. And it has been sitting now for probably 12 or 13 years. I mean, you can tell there's just no rust anywhere on this thing. And I think, honestly, I don't know. You guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments down below. Should I just put a small block 350 tune port back in this thing and just sort of make it original and just be a nice driver? Put the 700 R4 behind it and just make it a nice driver again? Or do we continue along the path of wanting to LS swap it and kind of have a little bit more modern of a powerhouse in it? I don't know, guys. You got to let me know, but we're off to take it to the garage. Guys, so now that we're back at the shop here, I started to think about things, and I've tried to like do things that sort of make sense so that I don't have to move things a bunch of times. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the Bruce out of here, and we're going to actually put the Trans Am and I believe the trailer right here in the corner. And then that way, when I want to work on it and everything, or I'm sorry, I don't know why I said trailer, but I'm going to back the trailer in, unload the car here. That way, when I want to work on that, it'll be back here. And then if I need to access the Civic, because there is a couple events coming up for mud bogs and Halloween and things that I do want to take that car to, it'll be up front here, and I'll be able to drive it when, you know, when necessary. So let's get the Civic pulled out here, and we will get the GTA in its new spot back here. That sounds terrible. If you are an 80s or 90s baby, you would be absolutely in love if you open the garage to this. I mean, I'm a 80s baby, and I'm absolutely in love. Now, I still got to figure stuff out with this, guys. If I pulled that car over, I mean, you can see there's probably a good 1.5 to 2 foot on this side, and the Trans Am's over pretty far. You could potentially get another vehicle down the center. So it's definitely a pretty big garage. It probably doesn't look that big in the videos because obviously it's not, you know, a gigantic garage and things like that. It's not the biggest thing you can get, but it's definitely a pretty nice size shop. So I'm excited for it, and I hope you guys are too. So let's get the Bruce back in here and pull the trailer out, and I think we're gonna put this car back together as a stock TPI car. Again, still drop your comments down below. We need to figure that out. Let me get the Bruce back in here. I do believe we figured out how we're gonna do it. I think that is perfect. The Bruce fits over there pretty well. This, if I wanted to, I could pull the Trans Am out and kind of have like a workspace here, things like that. Or, like I said, I could just pull the Bruce out while I work on it. You know, kind of might be annoying to the neighbors, maybe. I don't know. I mean, hopefully they like something like this. Hopefully they got kids that'll enjoy it. I don't know. But if I needed to work, we got plenty of room over here on this side to work, and I think that's what we're gonna bring here for now. And I will probably end up bringing up some of my engines here And I won't go too crazy. This isn't going to be a 100% workshop area, but it is going to be a place to where if I need to record a video and it's nighttime, it's dark, winter time here, you know, depending on what it is, if I need a spot to work on something and make a video, we have a spot now, guys. So there you have it, guys. If you like the content, I know it's sort of, to you guys, probably a boring video, or, you know, I don't know, maybe you guys are excited for me, which I hope you are. But if it is a boring video for you guys, I apologize. We will have a lot more content coming up. Like I said, we got 2 very, very good videos coming. I just have to decide when I'm going to release the one, and then the other one will be here tomorrow, and you'll see that one firsthand. So there you guys have it. Again, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And without you guys, this couldn't be possible. So I really do appreciate it. So again, senditstevemerch.com. Take care and have a great night. I'm so proud of my hard work. I also wanted to tell you guys, we got a freaking fire pit out back. Oh man, anytime we get a little late night, gets chilly, throw some firewood in there and let's just warm ourselves up. All right, we're gonna throw this in here right at the end. FedEx is going to mail my new Texas Speed cylinder heads down to Texas. They're gonna get ported and polished and come back, and these will be for dun 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 dun. Stay tuned.